The main goal is to find the total volume of the truncated portion, right? Or truncated cone. This truncated cone, sometimes recognized as Frustum cone. From the total cone here, we can see, and if we cancel or if we dissolve the red portion, this black portion will be the truncated cone. To solve this problem, we should have a proper planning to solve this problem. Anyways, let's have a look. What is the value to solve this problem? First of all, the top portion or the base portion diameter is 10 centimeter, and this truncated portions diameter is 6 centimeter. So the radius will be 3 centimeter, and the radius for the large portion will be 5 centimeter, and the height is 9 centimeter, which is given. And here the total height, including the truncated portion, which is 9, and this portion which is dissolved cone or the eliminated portion of the cone, up to this one is x. So total height will be 9 plus x. Now the plan will be, we have to find the total volume of this cone. So total volume of this cone is equals to 1 over 3. By the definition of the volume of the cone will be 1 over 3 pi r cube. This portion is r cube, r square, and h, the total height. So plug in the value. So this will be 1 over 3 pi. Value of r is 5 whole square, and h is 9 plus x. So the main fact is we have to find the value of x. Anyways, this portion volume will be, it means this is the small portion of cone. So for this small portion of cone, let's say V equals to 1 over 3 pi, and of course these portions r will be smaller r, so this will be r square, and r is equals to 3, we know. I'll plug in a little bit later, and the height is x, right? So in this case also we have to have value of x. Here as well we have to have the value of x. Indeed, let's put it here and find out the value. So up to this length is 3, and this length is 5, and this is 9, and total is x plus 9, right? Indeed, the large portion of the radius 5 and the small portion of radius 3 equals to the large height or the total height, which is 9 plus x, and the small portion height is x. This is the math trick to solve this problem. Hope you understand this part. To solve this equation or the ratio, we will have the value of x is equals to 13.5 centimeter, right? Now plug in the value of x here as well as here. We have total volume of the cone, Vt is equals to 5 489.049 centimeter cube, and this volume will be 128.234 centimeter cube, right? So the truncated part will be Vt minus V. So Vt is 589.049 minus 128.234 centimeter cube. So the final result will be 461.815 centimeter cube. So this is the value of the truncated portion.